NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.3, Question 15. Show that tan⁴ theta plus tan² theta is equal to sec⁴ theta minus sec² theta. Answer. Let us take the LHS. LHS is equal to tan⁴ theta plus tan² theta. Let us take tan² theta as common from both the terms. That is equal to tan² theta of tan² theta plus 1. We know that sec² theta is equal to 1 plus tan² theta. Standard trigonometric identity. That implies tan² theta is equal to sec² theta minus 1. In the LHS, let us write tan² theta as sec² theta minus 1. Sec² theta minus 1 into, from the identity, we can write tan² theta plus 1 as sec² theta. Now let us expand this product. Sec² theta times sec² theta is sec⁴ theta minus 1 times sec² theta is sec² theta, which is equal to the RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, we have shown that tan⁴ theta plus tan² theta is equal to sec⁴ theta minus sec² theta.